Hello and welcome back to Dragon Rider Cryptos. This is the Dragon Rider. Just going to go over a quick news article. Real quick over a news article I saw on CoinDesk. Where to trade Bitcoin. Brokerage apps move in amid market boom. Some people are calling it a bubble, but it definitely looks like a boom. So this article is about this company Trading 212, run by these two guys right here, Ivan Ashmanov and Boris Nedialakov. And basically, these guys got some new apps coming out. They're trying to merge the cryptocurrency market with the traditional markets, so to speak. So let's just get into a few key points here. They got a new app. Its app is the most downloaded trading app in the UK, with the company now providing a full-blown trading operation with markets in some 2,500 instruments ranging from shares to commodities. In June of this year, however, Trading 212 took a bold step in adding cryptocurrencies to the mix, helping it to attract a younger crowd, the millennials. Broken industry incumbents are finding hard to reach. These are the customers who grew up against the background of the 2008 financial crisis and as a consequence are inclined to see financial services companies as bad guys. Well, they have good reason to do that. And while U.S. fintech startups, Investor and Capital are targeting the same demographics of 20-something financial cynics, they don't yet have the magic sauce of crypto to sell on their sales. For the likes of Trading 212, crypto is a way of further enhancing its appeal to new users. Okay, look, U.S. fintech, you go Google these guys. This is like a conglomerate behind a lot of innovation, technological innovation, startups that are coming out right now. They back a lot of startups. So, when you're looking for ICOs and whatnot, you might want to look and see if they're being backed up or supported by this U.S. fintech. Because if they do, they probably got some solid backing. That's not to say that the ICO could fall to shit, but these guys got a history, long-term history of successful startups. So that's something to keep note of when you're looking at ICOs or any kind of startup in this tech field. So they're down here, they're talking about the figures of how many people they reach and whatnot. It says here, we'd rather not share the exact number, but it is a few percent of the combined volume generated by all exchanges, which is quite a lot for a single retail broker. And we come down here, and here's some key words that I wanted to get at. In case you thought cryptocurrency was just a fad that was going to pass, or it was just something that was going to come and go and blow by the wind, it ain't going anywhere. It's part of your reality. It's a new paradigm. We're all living in it. You're going to have to evolve. So best to learn about it. So it says here, client numbers are always driven by volatility and the news. When the two combine and Bitcoin price rises, make headline news. This drives new clients to open accounts. Understand what they just said. Client numbers are always driven by volatility. That means this up and down motion, which basically equivalates to making money. Buying high, selling low, buying high, or buying low, selling high, buying low, selling high. And the news. You could be the most experienced trader. You can know them charts. You can plot and plan. But some news come out and it fuck your whole shit up and just make you recalculate everything. News and volatility are the two main, seem to be the two main ingredients in whether or not people choose to get into cryptocurrencies or get out of cryptocurrencies. So let's go on down here. It doesn't hurt that Trading 212's app, honed for a more mainstream taste, is slick. The app includes let me see, a real-time chat facility, and a link up with TradeBird, a trading-focused social network set up by Trading 212's founders, accessible educational tools, and regular cryptocurrency analysis, which has all helped in to attract a growing audience. So they're really, really trying to get a hold of these 20-some-year-olds, you young cats out there, seasoned young techies and stuff. They want to get you in here. They want your money. You know, the company estimates that 90% of its equity customers will pay nothing at all, with the 10% of high rolling whales delivering its revenue stream. Perhaps propelling its growth among more seasoned cryptocurrency traders, though, is that it has also added a swath of available options from the asset class. Customers can deal not just in Bitcoin and Ether, the two largest cryptos by market cap, but in Ripple, Bitcoin Cash, Dash, Monero, and Neo. So here you got the traditional market attempting to merge with the crypto market, and you can see right here what these traditional market, what coins the traditional markets are looking at right now in attempting to do this and attempting to bridge the gap between traditional markets and the cryptocurrency markets. So you want to keep an eye out for this kind of stuff right here. Ripple. Ripple's a funny ass cryptocurrency, man. A lot of people don't like this. A lot of people say this is a government coin or Illuminati coin. Whatever you might believe, that's your opinion. But nonetheless, companies, corporations, trading platforms, whatnot, they got their eye on Ripple. Bitcoin Cash, a Dash, privacy coin, Monero, another privacy coin, and Neo. So keep an eye on these coins right here. You might see some increase in value going into these coins in the near future. Let's go down here, making markets. Apart from that, Saunders is pledging the app can remove all the complexity and risk of owning cryptocurrencies, which today often involves storing or managing a set of cryptographic keys or trusting someone else to do so by using contract for differences called CFDs. So we want to learn this terminology right here because we're going to be seeing a lot more. So CFDs, contract for differences. And this is a type of financial instrument made to mirror an underlying asset. The use of the tool means that trading crypto on the platform does not involve buying the claims to those keys, as you would on a crypto exchange such as Bitfinex, the marker leader by volume. So Bitfinex got a lot of trading going on. But let's come on down here a little bit more. Let's check this out. Let me see here. As with fiat currency or share trading, stop losses can also be set so you get to sleep at night without worrying about, if the South Koreans are about to start selling. So basically, your stop losses, you can set this if you got a trading bot or some of these exchanges, most of the exchanges, or at least some of the exchanges, they have the option on the exchange to set stop losses where you can set a certain price to sell, certain price to buy. So if you're not around the computer at the time or whatnot, it'll do it for you. So let's look right in here. It says bigger wave. Elsewhere, other CDS or CFDs, spread betting, and forex brokers have been getting in on the action. So here's a couple of, here it is at avatrade.com, trade.com, or two forex brokers trying their hand at crypto. Another is Intertrader. And there's a bunch of them, they're all trying to get in. And let's see why. Let's just see why. Of the 200,000 UK users, BUX claims 85,000 are now using real money. Its app with a design, look, and feel that evokes then Grand Theft Auto video games. And judging from the stream showing what app users are trading, Bitcoin's in one of the more popular trades among its client base. So in the gaming industry, people are really starting to use Bitcoin. You know, they're starting to use these altcoins. Again, you know, this is not going anywhere. And yes, as interest in crypto grows, the new breed of trading app from Trading 212 and others shows there's a big market for more familiar ways to gain exposure. Hey, they're not going to try and gain exposure unless they think they can make money. It costs a lot of money to do marketing, and they're going to see the returns on that. They're not just going to put money out to do marketing, create apps, unless they know they can or think they can make that money back, and then some. So again, you know, just come down here to Cointelegraph, CoinDesk, check these news sites, and just keep it, you know, keep an eye on what's going on. You might see something inside here that might be very helpful to you before you make any kind of moves. So there it is. Where to trade Bitcoin, brokerage apps are getting in on the market. You need to get in early, man. You need to get in early. This shit is gonna take off. We got like, you know, 3 to 5 years, I suspect, before we get really mainstream. You know, in the next, you know, 2 to 3 years, maybe you have the opportunity. The basic person, you know, the average person, whatever you want to call it, have the opportunity to get in here and get their claws in before these big boys come in and start taking over the yard. So get in early, get yours, and get on about your business, and you know, take advantage of opportunity when opportunity is there for you to take advantage of. Always use your due diligence. Never ever invest more than you're willing to lose or can safely lose. Don't ever put yourself in harm's way investing in anything. The only thing that's worth investing with risk, without question, is yourself. So anything aside from yourself, always do your due diligence. Due diligence. So that's it for now. Come back in here, check out these sites. Until next time, see ya. And keep riding them dragons.